This demo will show how to add water reflection to this quick Photoshop sketch. I have all of the artwork in this one group. To edit, transform, scale, select the top center point. For the height percentage, reduce it to 80%. This gives me room for the water reflection. Press enter, drag this down, and then duplicate this group. Right click, merge group. So this becomes one single layer. I will go to edit transform, flip vertical, and then use the move tool to bring this down to the level I want. We'll use the rectangular marquee tool, select the area I want to delete, press delete. Deselect, use the move tool to move this up to the level I want. Typically, the water reflection is a little bit darker. Image adjust, level, 0.7 looks pretty good. The next step, I will lock the transparency, go to filter, blur, motion blur, set the angle from the default 0 to 90 degree. Distance, you can set this at 50 to see if it achieves the look you want. It seems like 100 pixel looks pretty good. The next tool I will use is going to be the Smudge tool. Choose a simple round brush tip. The hardness set to 0%. The strength, I can set it to 100%. Drag this across the water reflection. That creates a little bit of that ripple effect. The next tool I want to use, the dodge tool. Choose a simple round shape. Set the hardness to 0. The exposure, let's try 30% first. And see, that can give you a very convincing water surface. So that was using the dodge tool. Change this to reflection. I want to add some rock details to this image. Here I have a mountains already created. Drag this down, duplicate this mountain, and then bring this over above the water reflection. Edit, transform, scale. Press enter. Press L for the lasso tool. Select some of this area. Press delete and clear it. Deselect. Label this rocks. Choose the dodge tool. I want to make this appear to be a little bit of sandy beach at a water edge. Image adjust, level, darken it just slightly. Choose the texture brush that we created in this class. These limestone formations typically get eroded by water. So I'm just adding that type of details at a water edge. Can now choose some grass color, some green. I can also choose from here, from the color bar. Maybe there is some flower at the edge. So here's a quick demo on how to add water reflection to this image.